Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to manage HSN length settings for GST returns in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the GST returns module. Click on Configuration. Here, you will find the feature labeled HSN length, which provides multiple HSN display format options. By default, the HSN length is set to as entered, which means the system displays the HSN code exactly as maintained in the item master. Along with this, you can control the Show HSN Description option by enabling or disabling it when the As Entered option is selected. Now, let's observe the default behavior of HSN length setting. Select the GST return type, choose the time period for which you want to generate the return, and then click on the Generate button. Under the HSN tab, you can view the HSN-wise summary of the generated return. As observed, the report displays the HSN codes exactly as maintained in the item master along with their respective HSN descriptions. Now, let's return to the configuration settings and change the HSN length to digits. Please note that whenever any option other than as entered is selected from the drop-down, the Show HSN Description option gets disabled and cannot be selected. This happens because shortened HSN formats cannot accurately map the exact HSN descriptions. Now, let's observe the functionality of the selected two-digit HSN length. As observed, the HSN codes in the report are now successfully displayed in a two-digit format. You can create a JSON file and upload it to the GST portal. Alternatively, you can export the report data to Excel by clicking on the Upload button and proceed with GST filing through the GST portal.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.